Leh, a bustling city gearing up for summer arrivals. But the tourism industry feels its growth is being stifled because of tensions with China. Tourists aren't exactly thrilled at the idea of getting permits to go beyond Leh, and severe travel restrictions are in place even in areas away from the line of control.
These areas are quite far from the main border area. There's no LOC, there's no strategic point in these areas, but still Government of India has put lots of restrictions.
Meanwhile, the Chinese apparently come and go as they please.
This is my personal opinion that Chinese are not to be trusted at all. Because time and again it has happened that whenever we have trusted, they've broken our trust and they've betrayed us by coming into the villages, and they're so brazen, they openly come into the villages, do a recce, and then they go back.
Leh is still relatively insulated. It's those people who are living closer to the border areas that are the worst off. Irrigation projects, road building activities, construction of shelters have all been disrupted to an extent in certain sectors because of Chinese threats and Indian timidity.
Rixin Tange is the head of a village approximately 12 kilometers away from the border. He says he has had his cattle chased away by the Chinese. He also says the Chinese destroyed all weather shelters that villages constructed in Demchok.
4 कमरे का शेड बनाने के लिए फाउंडेशन बनाया, वो फाउंडेशन चाइना वालों ने आकर हमारे एरिया में आकर पूरा कदल कर दिया, पूरा क्लीन कर दिया और 12 बोरी जो सीमेंट भी चुरा करके ले गए, लेकिन हमारे तरफ से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
Locals also admit unsettled borders are psychologically unsettling as Ladakh is sandwiched between hostile neighbors. With Guneet Singh Bedi and Parul from Leh, in New Delhi, Prerna Prasad.